Hi friends, I am going to dictate you a legal matter 110 words per minute. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. This is an unusual case. Stop. The observations, comments and allegations made and the order passed by a learned single judge of the Rajasthan High Court, Mr. Justice Sethna, in relation to a disposed of writ petition, by sending for its record in a totally unrelated and unconnected criminal revision petition, which have been put in issue in this appeal, touch not only upon the discipline of the High Court and the powers of the Chief Justice to assign cases and allot benches, but also the larger issue of judicial propriety. Stop. The order directing issuance of notice of contempt to the Chief Justice of the High Court raises a fundamental question about the jurisdiction of a single judge to issue such a notice in the established facts of the case. Stop. It is not individuals but the prestige of the institution which is at stake in this case. Stop. The manner in which allegations have been made against the Chief Justice of the High Court, the division bench of the High Court, which had disposed of the writ petition, and some of the former Chief Justices of the Rajasthan High Court, including the present Chief Justice of India, Mr. Justice J.S. Verma, has caused us much anguish. Stop. We wish we did not have to deal with a case like this, but we shall be singularly failing in our duties to the institution, if we do not deal with the matter and take it to its logical conclusion. Stop. First, some salient facts. Stop. Para. Writ petition number 2949 of 1996 was filed, as a public interest litigation, on 9/9/1996 in the High Court of Rajasthan at Jodhpur by an advocate of that court, inter alia seeking directions to provide suitable accommodation to the judges of the Rajasthan High Court and for certain other benefits for the judges. Stop. During the proceedings of the writ petition, certain interim orders came to be made by Sethna, from time to time. Stop. On 29/4 to 1997, Sethna, directed the writ petition to be treated as part heard at the request of learned counsel for the parties. Stop. In the meanwhile, Sri D.R. Bhandari, advocate, filed an application for being impleaded as petitioner to in that writ petition. Stop. He inter alia challenged the legality and validity of constitution of a bench of the High Court at Jaipur, as also the order of state government declaring bungalow number A/2 at Jaipur as the guest house for the exclusive use of the Chief Justice and bungalow number A/5 at Jaipur as the High Court guest house. Stop. Certain other issues were also raised by Sri Bhandari in that application. Stop. Overruling the objections raised by the respondent therein inter alia, to the effect that the application of Sri Bhandari would widen the scope of the writ petition, the application of Sri Bhandari was allowed by Sethna, on 29/7/1999, and he was impleaded as petitioner to in the writ petition. Stop. The case was then adjourned from time to time on being listed as part heard before the learned single judge. Stop. In the meantime, the roster was changed and Setna, was required to sit in a division bench instead of sitting singly between 4/9 1997 and 12/9 1997. Stop. On 8/9 1997, the additional advocate general for the state of Rajasthan moved an application under Rule 55 of the rules of the High Court of Judicature for Rajasthan within bracket herein after the rules bracket close with the prayer that since challenge to the legality and validity of the constitution of a bench of the High Court at Jaipur had been raised by petitioner 2, Sri Bhandari, writ petition number 2949 of 1996 should be referred to a division bench for hearing. Stop. By an administrative order, the Chief Justice directed, on 8/9 1997, that the application filed by the Additional Advocate General be put up for orders on the next day at 10:30 a.m. A judicial order then came to be made on 9/9 1997 by the Chief Justice, in the presence of all the parties to the writ petition. Stop. It was directed that the writ petition should be listed before a division bench of the High Court comprising Mr. Justice M. P. Singh and Dr. Justice B. S. Chauhan since it involved constitutional questions. Stop. When the writ petition was listed before the division bench on 10/9 1997, the following order came to be passed. Stop.